This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to meet with you here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to work on reading some melodies together that are written in the key of A flat major. Of course, when I say work on reading them, I'm talking about reading them in standard music notation, and we're playing them in first position, as that is the focus of this lesson series. So we're going to do 3 of these. With each of these songs, we're going to play right along with bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment, which is super helpful and makes it super fun. This video accompanies lesson 20 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to start on page 128. We're going to be on pages 128 and 129, doing songs 9, 10, and 11. Each one is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So it's going to be as easy as that. One little thing I want to point out with number 9 before we play these is that there's an F flat accidental. So you want to watch out for that F flat accidental. We don't commonly see F flat because it's the same pitch as E natural. To our ear it sounds the same as E natural, but on the page it's different. But it doesn't work any different as far as how we find flats on the guitar. F flat is still just located 1 fret lower than F. So you're going to want to watch for that with number 9. We will run into an F flat accidental there. You're also going to see a D natural accidental. We've seen that sort of thing before, so you're all prepared for these accidentals in addition to reading these melodies in the key of A flat major with these 4 flats. So it's going to be fun. Each one of these is going to happen at the 2 different tempos. First that slower tempo, then that faster tempo. Let's just go ahead and play these melodies together. All right, awesome. I hope you're having fun with this. In the next video, we're going to work on 4 more melodies in this key. So the last 4 melodies that are part of lesson 20 in the book. It's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.